A lot of people nowadays will use dark mode on their browsers, and this basically makes everything black or grey instead of the usual sort of light grey and white. And what this does basically is if you have like a dark logo, your browser icon is going to get lost against that dark background. And finally, Squarespace has listened to the community and they've introduced a feature whereby we can have two separate favicons. If Squarespace detects that a user who's on your site is using a dark mode browser, they're going to show the dark mode icon, which in the case of this tutorial is just going to be like a white icon versus the black icon that is going to be your main favicon for users on a light browser. So this is a new feature, it's really handy, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it now. This one's pretty simple. So what we want to do is go into settings, and then we're going to find favicon. So favicon's here, we click on this, and that's going to bring up both of our favicon options. So obviously this is a new thing whereby we can add dark mode. Now obviously you're going to have a default favicon in here. You can replace this if you want, it doesn't really matter. Now whenever someone is in a dark browser mode, if you have a black logo, it's obviously going to get a little bit lost. So you now have this option where you can upload a different variation for those on dark browsers. Now all you need to do, it's the exact same process as a standard favicon. Literally just hit plus, upload your file, find your file, open it up, and that's going to upload in here. And then whenever someone is on a dark mode browser, then this will show up instead of this, and your favicon will stop getting lost. Once you're happy with that, hit save, close that down, and your favicon on both light and dark modes is ready. And that's it. So if you found this useful, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.